Hola, buenos días. Me alegro mucho que estemos nuevamente, siempre en nuestra plataforma de Google Classroom. Siempre su clase de Phonics para Prepa A y B. Yo soy Miss Nubia, bienvenida. This is class number 15, page 121 to page 124. This is review from letters X, Y, C, and final consonant N, D, and P. Start. This is review from letter X. The letter X. Please. The direction have children draw a line to match the letter under the picture the partner letter. Vamos a hacer match con la letter X. Then we have letter Y. Letter Y. From Jojo. From yarn. Okay. Here we have zipper, match, sewing, box. Easy, easy. From letter C, here I have a zebra. Zebra. Page 174. We have to draw capital letter and small letter, or uppercase or lowercase. We have box, box, uppercase, lowercase, 6, uppercase, lowercase, zigzag, uppercase, lowercase, yarn, uppercase, lowercase, 0, uppercase, lowercase, yard, uppercase, and lowercase. This is review from consonant X, Y, and C. Page 173. Here we have some picture, and we have to color. We have to color the picture that have the sun with this, like this. We have van, fan, and wagon. Wagon. You have to color this, fan, and wagon. From bed, you have to color sled and dad. This is final consonant. Van, fan, wagon, letter N. N, D, and P, acá. Mop, top, cup. The final consonant, final, la consonante que está al final. Acá en este caso tenemos la letra P. Tenemos P, P, P. Mop, top, cup. The same thing from this. Final consonant. N. Aquí can, bed, mop. Soap, pen. Final consonant. Review. Bien, llegamos a la parte final. Vamos a leer este versículo de la Biblia en Juan 14:15, que dice: si me amáis, guardad mis mandamientos. Si me amáis, guardad mis mandamientos. Y llegamos al final donde dice Proverbs 22:6, train up a child into the way he should go. Even when he is old, he will not depart from it. Instruye al niño en su camino, aun cuando fuere viejo, no se apartará de él. Remember, practice letter X, Y, Z, final consonant, N, D, and P. See you soon. I love you. Nos vemos pronto. Todo está bien.